Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad better. First, choose your greens wisely. Opt for fresh, crisp varieties such as romaine, butter lettuce, or a spring mix. Remember to wash and thoroughly dry them. This crucial step prevents a watery dressing and ensures every bite is vibrant and flavorful. Now, let's boost the flavor and texture. Introduce elements like toasted nuts, seeds, or homemade croutons for a satisfying crunch. Don't forget proteins. Grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or roasted chickpeas add substance. A touch of sweetness from berries or a tangy kick from citrus can truly transform your salad. The dressing is key to a great salad. Making your own allows for fresh, vibrant flavors. Start with a high-quality extra virgin olive oil, then add an acid like apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Season with salt, pepper, and herbs. A well-balanced dressing brings all the ingredients together beautifully, enhancing every component. Finally, get creative with your toppings and presentation. Roasted vegetables, crumbled cheese, or fresh herbs like dill or parsley can add layers of flavor. Think about how the salad looks. Arranging ingredients thoughtfully makes it more appealing. A well-made salad is not just food, it's an experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.